I love all the savory flavors and the tender meat that we get from the Southern cooker. But don't take our word for it. Chef Emeril Lagasse, he's taking it to the streets to find out what you really think.
Mr. Lagasse!
For a little, hello there, how you doing?
How are you?
Hi,
Nice
what's your
to meet
name?
you.
Don't worry about them. Just pretend they're not even
Absolutely.
there. Pretend this is you and me. Do you grill?
I grill.
You grill.
I cook,
Do you
I
use
grill.
charcoal or what kind of heat source do you use?
Propane.
And you find that good?
It's okay.
Yeah, I cook every now and then.
You do?
Occasionally. Okay, so this is flank steak, and this is a pulled pork slider. This is grilled pound cake with strawberry.
Grilled dessert?
Yeah.
I love it.
Oh, my kind of guy.
Dig into the pulled pork.
Oh yeah. We'll see what you think of that.
Oh, that's amazing.
You taste the smoke a little bit?
This is absolutely amazing.
This is excellent. And it's like perfectly done.
Wow, that's really good.
Good? If I told you that all of this came out of that thing right there, would you believe me?
Stop.
Right?
Yeah, no way.
It smokes, it grills, it slow cooks, and it bakes all in one shot.
Wow. I have 3 devices that do all those things, and each one of them was quite expensive. I gotta get my dad one of these.
Wow. Low and low.
I love it.
That's the only way I like my pork.